Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Yasuo in Wild Rift. First, let's dive into his core abilities. His passive, Way of the Wanderer, grants you double critical chance and a shield after moving. Steel Tempest, your first ability, is a quick thrust that stacks up to 2 times. Your third cast unleashes a whirlwind, knocking up enemies. Wind Wall blocks all incoming projectiles, and Sweeping Blade lets you dash through foes, marking them for increased damage. Next, let's talk about Yasuo's essential build. You'll want to rush Infinity Edge to maximize your critical strike damage, aiming for 100% critical chance quickly. Follow this with Phantom Dancer for more attack speed, critical chance, and a crucial shield. For runes, Conqueror is your go-to keystone, providing excellent sustained damage in longer skirmishes. Don't forget a defensive item like Guardian Angel to ensure you survive team fights. Now, let's discuss the laning phase and Yasuo's key combos. In the early game, focus on farming safely, using your Steel Tempest to secure last hits and poke. Look for chances to dash through minions with Sweeping Blade to engage in quick trades. Master the EQ combo for a swift knockup. Once you have a stacked Steel Tempest Whirlwind, use it to initiate, then follow up immediately with your ultimate, Last Breath, for devastating damage. Finally, let's cover team fights and advanced strategies. In team fights, careful positioning is key to avoid being instantly crowd-controlled. Use your Wind Wall strategically to block high-impact enemy abilities, protecting your team. Always be ready to chain your Last Breath ultimate off any allied knockups for maximum impact. Consider split pushing to draw enemy attention, creating valuable map pressure and opening opportunities for your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.